Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for subscribing and thank you very much for always coming back. 21 miners perished at this couple's tavern in the Eastern Cape. Ever since then, they've been in and out of court for the past 2 years. And finally, the case has come to an end. They were found guilty of contravening the Liquor Act. They broke the law by selling alcohol to the minors. It is alleged that there was stampede at the tavern and the children perished as a result of that. That case is still under investigation. So this couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ndevu, were arrested as the owners of the tavern. The prosecutor had urged the magistrate to hand out a harsher sentence to send a strong message to other tavern owners out there never to allow minor children to buy alcohol. He also said Mr. Ndevu, accused number 1, has never shown any remorse throughout the trial, and the community also expects the court to be harsh to tavern owners who break the law. The magistrate in his judgment said that they are first offenders, they have no previous convictions. He also has to consider that they have 4 children who are still young and still going to school. And accused number 1, Mr. Ndevu, has health issues, chronic illness, which is a high blood pressure. He also has to consider the community. He knows that the community is still outraged. He also mentioned contravention of Liquor Act. No minors must be sold alcohol. But on the day of the incident, only 1 minor was sold alcohol by the employee of the Ndevu couple. And also there was no law enforcement to turn those minors away. So they were given a guilt fine of 5,000 rand each for contravention of the liquor law or 100 days in imprisonment. What are your thoughts on this judgment? Drop a comment below, let me know. I'll see you on the next one.
The prevalence of minors visiting taverns being provided liquor, that should add to the seriousness of this crime. Not only at Scenery Park, in your whole jurisdiction, and perhaps even beyond, young people freely obtaining liquor in the outlets and even taverns. And even the owners, tavern owners, allowing this conduct. Now, before you have the owner of the tavern as well as the manager of that tavern who have been found guilty. Now, the interest of the society, the community at large, comes to the fore. And this will be my emphasis, Your Worship. You will know and you will remember, since the beginning and the commencement of this trial, we've always had the company of our camera friends around us, broadcasting this trial throughout the nation and beyond. Now, people, including those seated in the court gallery, perhaps some of them, for the first time, they want to know, they want to see, and they're going to experience, some for the first time, see for themselves how our courts, the courts of South Africa, including this court, deal with tavern owners who contravenes a provision such as this. How our courts will deal with them.